Friends, this is Alvaro Cruz again, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the components I'm planning to buy to build a computer. In this case, I'm going to start talking to you about the processor. The processor I decided to buy, the brand is Intel Core i5. You know, Intel is one of the best brands in the market. The speed is 3.3 gigahertz, and the price is almost $200 because it is $199. So let's say it's just the same. All right, now let's move to the other components. And the other components I decided to buy is the random access memory. The brand of this is G.Skill. The price is $45, and the capacity is 8 gigabytes. And let's see the other product. The other one is the video card. The video card, the brand is MSI, and the speed is of 1020 megahertz, and the price is of 160. Another component that I decided to buy is the motherboard. The motherboard, as I was saying, the motherboard, it's the price is $76. The brand is MSI. And let's see the power supply. What about the power supply? The power supply, the price is $80, and the brand is Corsair. And of course, I decided to buy the hard drive. And in the case of the hard drive, the price is $71, and the capacity of the hard drive is the 2 terabytes. You know, it's a good capacity, and the brand is Seagate. And finally, I decided, of course, to buy a keyboard and a mouse. In the case of those two components, I bought them in a combo, and they were for $25. The brand is Microsoft, and both of them are wireless. You know, so it's nice to have those things as wireless. And finally, let's see the monitor. I did not want to buy a monitor because I already have a television, and it works as a monitor of a computer as well. So basically,